And preparations are underway in Washington County, where public safety crews are getting ready for the snow. That's where we find our Ricky Sayer live tonight. Ricky.
Erica, just in the past few minutes ago, we saw the first few flakes of this storm. We can see just a few flakes falling right now. It's very, very light, so of course nothing is sticking on the ground yet. Of course, it has already been cold. As I look behind me to check what that sign says there, 9 degrees. It is that temperature, which is that local officials have already been concerned about.
There's a female at the station to see an officer.
It's the calm before the storm at Washington County 911, because by this time tomorrow, they're expecting
an abundance of calls that we don't normally see on a day-to-day basis.
All because of the snow on its way.
So what has been your focus in preparing for this storm?
Making sure we have enough staff here.
Washington County Public Safety Director Gerald Coleman says they've done just that, upping their staffing and having more on standby, not just for Sunday.
We're planning for several days after the snow. We have crews rotating through 12 and 16-hour shifts.
There's a reason for that.
I've switched my belief. It's the cold now. I'm starting to focus more on the deep cold that's setting in next week.
The snow, he says, will get plowed and shoveled, but the cold won't let up.
That's what worries us the most.
Cold homes become colder. People who should reach out for help don't.
They'll be in their homes under 5 blankets when they could go somewhere that's more comfortable during these times.
It's part of why he says it's so important to check on your neighbors, especially the elderly. They do have options.
We want to make sure our warming shelters are set up and those folks have everything they need.
The county, he says, is prepared for a storm expected to pack a punch. Yeah, so we can't hammer home enough a point that he made, which is to stay off the roads. It will allow for first responders to get to people who are in need quicker. And he also mentioned that you should expect that if you call 911 that you do need help, that it'll probably take longer than usual for people to get to you. Reporting live in Washington, Ricky Sayer, KDKA-TV News.